Hello, welcome to another tutorial, and today you're going to be making a thumbnail for your videos without Photoshop. Okay, let's get right into it. So, you're going to need to type in pixlr.com/editor, and we're going to go to PixlrX. Click Create New, and then do Web 720 pixels, and then click no background, and so I'm just going to call this test thumbnail. Create. So I think we'll just add some cool background. Yeah. Okay, this. I'm gonna add another. Okay, yeah, another. Maybe add some text. So, yeah, that's how you create cool thumbnails without Photoshop. Just click Save, Test Thumbnail, and then click Download. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.